Yay! Gracias! Thank you, guys. Wait, Samantha, wait.
Now, Rob Holland dropping in to rejoin, and I got to point out how hard that is to do. It's not like the car where you can reach over and tap on the brake pedal. He's got to adjust not only the throttle, his speed, but he's also got to change the pitch of the propeller as he slides in and makes it look so easy.
Yeah.
So now they've all got the same speed going. The formation is back nice and tight. And Matt Chapman is communicating with them right now about the changes that he's going to put into the inputs as they roll this formation around and climb into the sky together. The American technology and the MXS, they've all entered world competitions. They've all done well, and your current world freestyle champion is on the right wing. As now they climb up, and they're going to dial it up just a little bit differently. Keep an eye on these airplanes now.
Keep an eye here, okay?
As they complete what looks like a simple loop, but they're starting to build their energy up for some individual aerobatics as well to show you the differences in these three airplanes.